The Ulefone Ammo 23 Ultra versus the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7. Which of the two 5G rugged phones is equipped with the best specs? In this video, we're going to find out. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the Ammo 23 Ultra has a thickness of 12.8 millimeters and it weighs 332 grams, while the Galaxy Xcover 7 has a thickness of 10.2 millimeters and it weighs 240 grams. Which means the Ammo 23 Ultra is slightly bulkier than the Xcover 7. Both devices are rated IP68, but the Ammo 23 Ultra is rated IP69K as well, which means the Ammo 23 Ultra is not just water and dust resistant, but also resistant to high pressure water jets, while the Galaxy Xcover 7 is water and dust resistant. Both devices are also military grade standard A10H compliant, which means they have been tested in different environmental conditions and they survived. But this doesn't guarantee the ruggedness of both devices in extreme conditions. The Ammo 23 Ultra has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display with IPS LCD panel. The display is protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus, while the Galaxy Xcover 7 has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus TFT LCD display, and the display is protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. The Ammo 23 Ultra has 396 ppi density, while the Xcover 7 has 400 ppi density. The Ammo 23 Ultra shipped with the Android 13, while the Xcover 7 shipped with the Android 14. Now, Samsung promised to give the Galaxy Tab Active 5 up to 4 years of updates, so I'm expecting Samsung to do the same thing for the Xcover 7. So this is a huge advantage for the Xcover 7. The Ammo 23 Ultra is powered by the Dimensity 8020 5G processor. It's a 6nm processor with a clock speed of up to 2.6 GHz, and it is paired with the Mali G77 MC9 GPU. Now, the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7 is also expected to feature a 6nm octa-core 5G processor, but currently the exact processor has not been disclosed. The Ammo 23 Ultra utilizes 12GB RAM and it packs a 512GB internal storage. The device supports micro SD card expansion, while the Galaxy Xcover 7 has 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. It also supports memory expansion. In the camera department, the Ammo 23 Ultra features a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main camera, an 8MP telephoto lens, 50MP ultra wide angle camera, and a 64MP night vision camera, while the Galaxy Xcover 7 features a single 50MP main camera. Now, the front facing camera of the Ammo 23 Ultra is 50MP, while the front facing camera of the Xcover 7 is 5MP. The main camera of the Ammo 23 Ultra could record up to 4K videos at 30 fps, while the Xcover 7 could record up to 1080 videos at 30 fps. Moving on, the Ammo 23 Ultra pack a 5280 mAh battery and it supports 120 watts fast charging, 50 watts wireless charging, as well as reverse wireless charging. While the Xcover 7 pack a 4050 mAh battery and it supports just 15 watts wired charging. So the Ammo 23 Ultra has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and it supports face unlock. It also supports satellite messaging or two-way satellite messaging. That's right, guys. The Ammo 23 Ultra is one of the few devices around today that supports satellite messaging, and the satellite messaging feature is powered by Bullet. The Galaxy Xcover 7 doesn't support satellite messaging, and it also doesn't have a fingerprint scanner, which is kind of funny. The Ammo 23 Ultra has a 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as the Galaxy Xcover 7. The Ammo 23 Ultra supports Wi-Fi 6, but the Galaxy Xcover 7 does not. It also supports Bluetooth 5.1, while the Xcover 7 supports Bluetooth 5.3. Both devices have navigation features like GPS, GLONASS, and the others. They both support NFC. The Ammo 23 Ultra features a blaster, while the Xcover 7 does not. So these are some of the top features of both devices. I cannot mention them all. The Ammo 23 Ultra costs about $450, while the Galaxy Xcover 7 is expected to be sold for around $370 or so. It is expected to be more expensive, by the way. So these are some of the top features of both devices. So what do you guys think? Which do you think is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.